Good evening, everybody. My name is Jesse Colson. Welcome to my channel. Getting back on the boat tonight. Work on getting the lights mounted. Got the carpet all in last night, the floor and everything. So now we're gonna start mounting stuff back on it. Get the lights both mounted. I think we'll get the bikini top back on. And anything else that we can put back on, we're gonna get it on tonight.
What character in the game? Seems centered to you? I don't know if there's any extra in there. This is downrigger stuff.
We'll just have to see. I actually kind of like the look of that little wood with the gray.
Yeah.
Actually kind of looks nice.
It does.
It's not like overpowering wood look.
Yeah.
That was a good thing about having this one inside. It kept it from getting all dirty. Carpet is definitely nice. So this carpet is definitely nice. Everything smells like coffee.
Sorry.
Will you grab that and follow me?
What was I say? I don't know. I don't know. I have to figure that out. Can you climb in the boat and get the one that fell in there?
I'll get it when I get in there.
Okay. Never mind, that's it.
GoPro battery died and I forgot to put a new one on, so I apologize. Marking out the pieces to replace the center console, because these boards, they're pretty rotted out. After 40 years of water, I would expect it. So, getting these marked out. We're also gonna build a little speaker box where the new speakers for the stereo are gonna get put in at. So that's what I'm working on marking out right now. So gotta build a step to where we can get up in the front of the boat. And then we've got to build a box to go around the speakers. Alright, center console pieces are cut. I glue 2 pieces together for each side to make them thick enough. Alright. Quick little look at what we did tonight. Got the driver's side window dash on, passenger side dash. And we got some of the underside supports for the dash in, down under here. We got the new center console boards made and glued together. I only got 2 more boards I'll have to cut for that, for the speaker box. And then we put the bikini top back on. It's all mounted back on there. Got the lights actually mounted on. They're not coming off now. Only been wanting to get those on there for 3 days now. Got the cleats put back on. They're still a little bit loose. Still got to go around and tighten everything completely up, but at least they're sitting in place. Look good. I actually like the look of the wood with the gray that we went with. Place right there. That's our new switch cluster. So got it set up. Now we just got to get all the wires pulled to it, and all the little gauge wires and stuff ran back. Get all the trim and the fuel and the tack, all that's got to get hooked up yet. I've got to hook up the line that goes to the speedometer. Still a lot left to do yet, but it's coming together. It's looking better. And then get the fuel tank hooked up. Still haven't got the bilge pump back in, but we'll get it when I run the new wires. One step closer, one step at a time, however you want to look at it. It's been a pretty good project. Actually way quicker than I thought we were going to get it, but I've had a lot of good help between Maya and Trenton and girls hanging out with us, and so we've done a lot of work pretty quick. Getting closer. Looks like a boat again, at least. Partially. I'd like to say thanks to everybody for watching. If you enjoy what we do, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.